Forward. Thank you. Whoa, so big. Can you put your face closer? So it's... Good morning guys.
Good morning!
Dito kami sa Lansdowne. Punta dapat tayo ng Stone kaso lamig eh.
Hello!
Yung forecast dapat yan sunny kaso ang foggy parang horror. Ayan foggy. Kaya dito tayo sa Lansdowne. Ang gawin natin sa Lansdowne?
McDonald's. Sumo Dino.
Sumo Dino? Yup, may pera ba kayo?
No!
Oh, paano na?
We get points from there. You!
Anong you? Wala akong pera, no?
Yeah, then we can just get points from
Tapos?
nothing.
Nothing? Okay, let's go. So, bago to No, Shope? Wala na. Dito na tayo sa Lansdowne. I-redevelop nila tong Lansdowne Yung gigibay nila lahat. Tapos batayo sila ng bagong mall. Tapos madaming mga residential condos. So, goodbye Lansdowne. Let's check your height, Chabe. Ilan ka na?
This is not the right one. It's not. It's not right. It's not right.
Mali, no? Dito tayo Sumo Dino. Claw machine na naman. Di pa kayo nagsawa sa Japan, Magmana yata to sa akin. Nung bata ako, hilig din ako mag-claw machine. Mahal dito, 2 points per play,
We're the big
You wanna play?
Yeah.
How much is it? $20 yan, 10 tokens. Mahal din dito. Sa Pilipinas na lang maglalaro madami sa SM, mas mura. Ay, Ma! You can do it! You can do it! Papaswerte! Woo! Nako! It's okay. Sa mga hayop, gusto nila. Say otter daw, otter. Go! Press the button, Shabe. Third try. May 5 tries lang tayo. Go, Emma. Don't waste our money.
Don't waste our money.
Please, get something. Yeah. Double press it. Okay, last 2 tries. Emma, please. Forward. Oh! Yay! Sa wakas. Okay, Emma. Good job, guys.
I'm just gonna have too much dogs.
Okay, last try. You got one doggy for $20. But you had fun, right?
This is gonna be
Ano pangalan yan?
cinnamon.
Ha?
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon? Like cinnamon roll?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Do not chew.
Okay, punta tayo muna ng Best Buy bago tayo mag-lunch. Tingin-tingin lang tayo. Baka may deals. Okay, after. Okay? Let's go. Ito yung bago Switch. Meron kami Switch sa bahay, yung luma. Kaso, nalalaro nyo ba, Emma? I mean, at home?
Daddy,
You play?
look. I can't play this. Daddy, show this to the camera.
Okay. It's working. Galing Si Emma mahilig sa games. Gamer girl. Diba, Emma? Ito, ano lang. Kung ano-ano lang. Diba? Stop bashing me, Joey.
Mommy's a basher too.
Laro ka na lang nga dyan. Hindi mo marunong maglaro. Sabit.
Oh, Daddy, look.
Hey Alexa, 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 hey Alexa, 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 hey Alexa, 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 what's the weather? Alexa, 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 hey Alexa, Alexa. Yeah? It's a turtle.
No, it's an owl.
Ito ganda rin ito eh. Nagpipili ako dati kaso ang daming gumagalaw. Feeling ko masisira ako to. The DJI Pocket 3.
It's this.
I think I'm gonna break it.
Yeah, definitely.
Mm-hmm. Dito tayo sa mga iPad. Pang aliw. Sino yan?
You.
Ano?
You're a girl, and I'm a boy.
Yan, lagay ko na dito ang vlog natin para pang advertisement. Di ba, Emma? Yan, nood na kayo dyan. Subscribe na, guys. Ito, may pa-games. May pa-games sila dito. Libre. Ayan. Oy, are you working or are you playing?
Working.
Working? What you playing? Yung monitor mo nakapatay.
How you move?
Kaya si Emma, first time playing
Move.
first person shooter. Forward and... Yan, there you go. Parang Minecraft lang. Sanay kasi sila sa touchscreen eh.
I am a very important meeting.
Ah, naka.
About.
Eh, labas na tayo. Si Shobig dito sa ambulance. Pero
City.
sasakay lang siya. Yan, masaya na siya dyan. Emma, can you fit there? Hello?
Look.
What are you doing there? Oh, what? You're going crazy.
Hey, look.
Don't be crazy. Let's go na.
Okay, Daddy, can I get one more thing?
Uy, uy. 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 What are you doing?
Hey. Boo.
What are you...
Can I play for a little bit more?
Do not climb nga nakalagay oh.
Climb,
Ala. Lagot ka. Sabi.
What?
Says here.
It says because it's not safe.
Oh, why did you do it? It's fun?
Gripping hands.
It's fun?
Yeah.
Okay, dito na tayo sa labas. Nawala na yung fog, no? So, ano na lang. Cloudy na lang. Punta na tayo sa G-Man, Emma's favorite. Di ba, Emma?
Yeah.
Okay, dito na tayo sa Ramen, G-Man, at Nanchu. Emma? Kinikilig, no? Grabe. Let's go home na. Going. Let's go.
Remember this place.
What is it?
I remember this place.
Ayan, pampaaliw nila. Drawing. So, in order namin ay ang G-Men X, yung XL. Show, tsaka chicken karaage. Si Emma mahilig sa, sa ramen. Kaya sa Japan tuwang-tuwa, puro ramen, araw-araw. Kaya rin pala kami kumain dito, aside sa favorite ni Emma, meron kaming $10 gift card. Yan. Lagyan nyo lang yung coupon code ko, Jojo Vlogs PH. Tapos makakuha kayo ng $10 gift card. Joke lang. Punta lang kayo sa website nila. Yan. Click nyo lang. Tapos sign up. Makakuha kayo ng $10 gift card. Di ba, Emma?
Yeah. Yeah.
Tala sa Shopee, kumakain na ng kain ng chicken. Sabi, is it good?
It's really hot, Sean.
Try it.
It's hot.
What can you say about the chicken? What can you say?
Put this away
Good?
now.
Rate it out of...
10?
How about the juiciness? Is it juicy?
Yeah, Sean, put these away. Sean, put these away.
Thank you. Whoa, so big. Can you put your face closer? So it's... Ang laki. Thank you. Are you ready to eat?
Yeah.
Okay naman siya. Sarap naman, kaso sawa na ako dito. Diba? Palagi kumakain. Pero masarap dito, sa G-Men. Second round. Second round na ni Emma. Good job, Emma. Ikaw. Third round. Pero konti na lang.
Slip.
Pang ano na lang to, dessert. Pang himagas. So, tapos na kami kumain. Hindi na namin naubos. Sobrang dami. Suka na ako. Sobrang dami, no? Pero sobrang sarap. Siya gusto ng ano, lemon sa karaage. Ay, grabe, busog. So, uwi na tayo.
Yeah.
Okay. So, can you say bye to your fans?
Bye.
Ikaw, say bye.
Bye.
Joey.
Shot. What's it? Bye. Bye.